The science behind a good night's sleep. Hey there, sleep-deprived viewers. Are you tired of counting sheep and struggling to get a good night's sleep? Well, you've come to the right place. Good sleep is a topic that is often neglected, but it is a very important aspect of our everyday life. In this video, we're diving into the science behind a good night's sleep and sharing valuable tips to help improve your sleep quality. Let's jump right in. The importance of sleep. Before we delve into the tips, let's understand why sleep is so important. Sleep plays a crucial role in our overall well-being, affecting our physical health, mental clarity, and emotional balance. When we get sufficient, high-quality sleep, we wake up feeling refreshed, energized, and ready to tackle the day ahead. Now, let's explore some tips to optimize your sleep. Tip 1. Establish a consistent sleep routine. Our bodies thrive on regularity, so aim to go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. Create a relaxing pre-sleep routine to signal to your body that it's time to wind down. This can include activities like reading a book, taking a warm bath, or practicing relaxation techniques. Tip 2. Create a sleep-friendly environment. Your sleep environment plays a significant role in your sleep quality. Make sure your bedroom is cool, dark, and quiet. Invest in a comfortable mattress and pillows that support your body's needs. Consider using blackout curtains, earplugs, or a white noise machine if necessary. Tip 3. Limit exposure to screens. The blue light emitted by electronic devices can disrupt your sleep-wake cycle. Avoid using electronic devices, such as smartphones, tablets, or laptops, for at least an hour before bed. Instead, engage in calming activities like reading a physical book or listening to soothing music. Tip 4. Practice relaxation techniques. Relaxation techniques can help calm your mind and prepare your body for sleep. Try deep breathing exercises, meditation, or progressive muscle relaxation techniques. These can help reduce stress, anxiety, and racing thoughts that may interfere with your ability to fall asleep. If you're finding this information useful, please hit the like button, subscribe, and turn all notifications on to stay updated for my latest health and nutrition tips. Tip 5. Prioritize healthy sleep habits. Your daytime choices significantly impact your sleep quality. Engage in regular physical activity, but try to avoid vigorous exercise close to bedtime. Limit your caffeine intake, especially in the afternoon and evening. Opt for a light, nutritious dinner that won't disrupt your digestion. The impact of sleep deprivation. Now, let's explore the consequences of sleep deprivation. When we consistently lack adequate sleep, our physical and mental well-being suffer. Sleep deprivation can lead to daytime fatigue, decreased cognitive function, impaired memory, weakened immune system, increased risk of chronic conditions, and even mood disorders. There you have it, the science behind a good night's sleep and some valuable tips to improve your sleep quality. So it was all about my today's video. Thank you so much for watching. A like is always appreciated, and remember to subscribe and tap the bell for more healthy videos, and as always I wish you great health, wealth, and happiness.